Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the B3 Pro Compact Lithium ion battery charger. This charger can charge 8.4 volts battery and 12 volts battery. See, the input voltage of this charger is 100 to 240 volts AC and output current is 3800 milliamps. Now let's unbox it. See, the cables are given here. And an AC input wire. Now here comes the charger. See, this one is the B3 compact charger. Here we can charge 2S battery, here 3S battery. The cell 1, cell 2, cell 3 indicates that if three batteries are connected in series, it gets 12 volts. If one battery is charged fully, the first light turns on to the green color. If the second cell is fully charged, the second LED turns to the green, and the third LED also same. If we do not have charge in a battery, it will show red light. Now these cables are to input here. This 3 wires cable is for charging 2S battery. That one is 8.4 volts battery. It has 3 wires. One wire is for positive and another for negative. This wire is for balancing the battery charging. Now we can connect this like here. This big one, 4 wires for 12 volts battery. One for positive and another for negative, and another two wires for balancing. Here also same. We can charge this type of batteries with this charger. We have to connect the 3-pin cable and we can charge it. Now I didn't connect this charging cable. In another video I will show how to connect these batteries and charge it. Now let's power on this charger. Now connect the AC cord to the battery charger and put this plug to the AC socket Now I am turning on the AC socket. See, it is showing three LEDs are in red green color because I didn't connect the battery. If we connect the battery, if the battery is fully charged, it will show green color LED only. If the battery is discharged, it will charge and showing red LED. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.